Let's make a Brazil 66. We are going to shake this drink, and we're going to start by putting 1/3 of an ounce of simple syrup, and this is a 1-to-1 simple syrup. I do make my own simple syrup. Recipe is here on the channel. Link will be down below if you want to check it out. 1/3 of an ounce of 1-to-1 simple syrup, which is 10 milliliters. 1/2 an ounce, which is 15 milliliters of lime juice. 1/2 ounce of orange juice, 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of triple sec, 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. And finally, 1.5 ounces of your cachaça. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Add some ice before you seal up your shaker. One more. And give it a shake. I'm going to grab my other strainer quick. Other strainer in hand, I'm going to use a lowball glass or a old-fashioned or rock, something like that. I've seen some where they do it in cocktail glasses, which is why I got the double strainer. But I'm going to put it in a lowball because the recipe does specify additional ice, and I've never seen ice in a cocktail glass before. In any case, I'm going to double strain this into my ice-filled glass. Push this aside because it kind of drives me crazy. Garnish is either a lime wheel, an orange wheel, or a dehydrated lime wheel. And I've got a lime wheel, so that's what I'm going to use today. And there you have it, a Brazil 66. Drink with good spirits.